I'm gonna say a TV show, and if you've watched it, put a finger down. Gossip Girl, The Vampire Diaries, Grey's Anatomy, The Fosters, Riverdale, On My Block, All American, Outer Banks, Jane the Virgin, Alexa and Katie, Glee, Friends, Stranger Things, Pretty Little Liars, The Office, Gilmore Girls, Private Practice, Shameless, One Tree Hill, The Good Doctor, Good Trouble, Bella and the Bulldogs, Fuller House, Greenhouse Academy, Flash, Supergirl, Arrow, New Girl, The Originals, Victorious, Criminal Minds, Supernatural, 13 Reasons Why, You, The 100, Elliot, Lucifer, Never Have I Ever, Love is Blind, Mako Mermaids, High School Musical the series,